Hey guys, good evening, good evening. It's cold. Ayan guys, oh my god. It's the wind chill factor guys, grabe. Lamig guys. Hello. Yeah, crew. Okay. At least dito guys, sheltered na tayo, no? Daming crew nag-internet guys. Alright. Guys, nag-internet lang kami dito guys, no? Daming mga crew. So, yan guys. Daming mga crew. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo mag-internet. And palabas na tayo guys ng terminal. And again guys, look. Feel na ako ang kabugnaw guys. Oh my god. It's 9 degrees temperature guys here in Busan. And ayan yung barko namin guys. Gabi na ngayon. So ang problema nito guys, pagdating natin sa labas medyo mahangin guys. Ayan guys. Hi. So napaalis na tayo ng Busan Port. And yan. So lamig talaga guys. Lamig. Oh. So ayan guys. Bye bye Busan. Bye bye.